Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to enable call filtering in FaceTime on iPhone and iPad. In iOS 26, Apple has introduced new call filtering options to FaceTime. Thanks to this all-new feature, you can now have missed calls and voicemails from unsaved numbers sorted into an unknown callers list that's hidden from view unless you select it. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the apps option. Then you have to select FaceTime from the alphabetical list. And in the call filtering section, turn on the toggle for unknown callers. It's worth pointing out that you can activate FaceTime spam in the same call filtering section of FaceTime settings. Note that calls that are identified as spam will be silenced and automatically added to a new spam list. In the FaceTime app, you can access the different filter sections by tapping on the menu button in the upper right of the app. Sections include calls, missed, video, voicemail, unknown callers, and spam. Keep in mind that if you haven't had calls from unknown callers, this option won't show up in the menu. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily enable call filtering in the FaceTime app on iPhone and iPad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.